November. Do you all do advent calendars? I found this one on Amazon by the Purple Cow. They have a lot of really fun games and advent calendars on Amazon, and I purchased this with my own money because it looked super cool and like something my family and I would enjoy. So let's open it. Take a peek inside. I will probably do a follow-up video of my family and I playing it at another time, but let's just do the review and see what's inside today. If you're looking for a games calendar, this one is called 24 Family Games ages 6 to 99. You might want to grab this one up before it disappears for Advent. Not for 0 to 3 years old because of choking hazards. Okay. Let's see, how do we open this? Oh, it comes like this. Okay, you get this. What is this? Oh, it tells you how to play all the games. All right, and then this is the 24. Oh, and you also have the QR code. Okay, 23. All right, we're gonna open one because I'm just curious. Let's see here. All right, so the first one is the jacks. So you would go and it would tell you how to play here. How to play here. Cool. 2. Mini bowling. 3. 4 is this one. Ah. Frog race. All right, I'm back. It is a different day. I had to go pick up my daughter from school for having a fever, so it's a couple days past, and I wanted to show you some more of these. I thought it would be fun. I don't know about you, but I feel like advent calendars, which one were we on? I think we did 5 already, so let's find 6. I think advent calendars are so much fun, and they just really get you into like the holiday season. What is this? Okay, oh, is this a jumper? Some kind of knot. We're gonna have to look that one up in the book. I'm just gonna show you what's in each one, and then you'll know that they all go with a game in the booklet. So that was fun. I'm trying to put these back in because we will be using them again starting December 1st. Where's 7 at? 7 is here. So today I'm all hands. And if you hear any weird noises, it's the cats behind me. All right, number 7. Oh, interesting. I thought, oh, is it gonna be like a tanagram? Ooh, it looks like it's a tanagram. Okay. Where's 8? So I might miss a couple in here. What is this? What is this? I have no idea. I have never, are these candles? This feels like wax. These feel like candles. Now that's interesting. I wonder what game they have planned with candles and yarn. That one has me confused. This is so creative. I wish I had thought of this myself. And I'm sure this was expensive to have it all custom made like this. Here's 9. I hope this is interesting for you all. When I'm filming this, it's just a couple days before Halloween. Oh, we got some marbles here. I used to love marbles as a kid. Oh my goodness. My grandpa used to have this bird feeder, this cement bird feeder that had marbles stuck all in it. I used to love marbles. I used to collect them. 10. It's a couple days for Halloween, but it looks like we're gonna get rain for Halloween. Oh, we've got chalk. Just a stick of chalk. So we might not even be able to do trick-or-treating, and my daughter is so excited. Our church is doing trunk or treat on Sunday, but it's supposed to rain Sunday as well. She's gonna be so disappointed because we got her costume, so I'm gonna have to find something for her to attend her costume. It's little mini playing cards. But she's going as Glinda the Good Witch. My husband has decided to go as a stick of butter, and I'm still trying to determine if I'm gonna go as the corn on the cob costume or as a butterfly. Because my daughter wants me to go as a butterfly because, I mean, the corn on the cob costume is obviously hideous. What is this? This looks like, oh, what do you call that? Risk. Isn't it? Oh, Yahtzee. Yahtzee, not Risk. Risk is the strategy game. This looks like Yahtzee, Super Yahtzee. Okay, cool. And then they must be reusing the dice from another one we opened. Okay, there's 12. Where's 13? Do I see 13 down here? So I still haven't decided. It'll probably depend on the weather. If it's not cold enough, I won't wear the corn costume because the corn costume is hot. What do you think? Tic-tac-toe, baby? And I really like the butterfly costume. I feel most comfortable. So that might be funny, right? My husband would go as butter and I would go as a butterfly. Where's 14? Here's 14. There's Jojo. Hello, Jojo. All right, let's see what 14 is. What is that? It's a purple cow bottle. Jojo, get off the countertop. Maybe that one is used with some of the other supplies. Where's 15 is over here. Drop in the comment section what you guys are going as. This is just some kind of string. Colorful rope. Okay. Excited to see what kind of games they have planned with these. 16 is right here. This looks like balloons. You get 2 red balloons. Where's 17? 17 must be hiding under something, so let's just peek. There's 18. Skip that one, we'll go to 18. Where was 18? Here we go, we'll look at 18. Oh, this is interesting. It's like little, it's a whole bunch of these kinds of papers, and they've got like, I don't know if you can tell, but they have little lines, and some of them. There's quite a few in there. Okay, my curiosity is piqued. All right. This is gonna be fun to play. All right, where's 19? That was 22. 19 must also be under here somewhere. What is this? Oh, 19, here we go. 19. Oh, what are these? Like skewers? They're different color, like pointy, almost toothpicks, but plastic and longer. Oh my goodness. I have no idea. I'm excited. I might reuse some of this stuff and come up with my own games. What do you think about that? Where was 20? It's still 22. I don't see, oh, 20 is under this one. Oh, something squishy. Elastic? What is this? It's a face mask. It's a purple cow face mask. That's so cute. I love how they have branded their items. Hashtag goals. Goals for my channel someday? I don't know. I can't imagine. This probably costs a lot of money to create. But it's very creative. All right, that was 20. Where's 21? What's under this one? Nothing. Anything? No. No. Well, we're gonna have to skip and just go to 22. Let's see what 22 is. Oh, how cute! It's a little spinner. That's cute. 2, and then 23 was over here. Was a big envelope. Let's see what's in here. Okay, this is like one of those cootie catchers. On my website, I have some printable games. I have like MASH. I have some tic-tac-toe templates. I have snakes and ladders, vultures and crows. This is 24. Is this the last one? There's no 25? Probably. I don't think there is, maybe. It's just 24? Yeah, it's just 24. This is the last one. What is this? We got some stickers? What is that? Stickers? And what is this? Oh, is it pin the tail on something? Oh, it's pin the tail on the donkey. It's a rather sassy, cheeky little donkey.